Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Word online and for free. To do it, open your favorite browser and then type office.com. You can see it how you type office.com and then press enter. Now you have to sign in. If you don't have an account with this Microsoft website, you have to create it by clicking here on sign up for free version with Microsoft 365. If you already have an account, please click on sign in. You wait as the website is being loaded. You type your email. Then you click on next. Then you put in your password. Then here they ask you if you want to stay signed in or not. For me, I don't want to stay signed in, so I'm going to click on no. Now we have landed on our platform where we can use the Microsoft Word for free. To do it, click here on this Word logo or icon. Then once you reach there, you can choose to start with the blank document or other template that you can see. If you want to see more template, please click here on the see more template. But for me, I want to start with the blank document. You click on it and then another tab will be automatically opened. Then click here on add new. You wait a little bit. Now Microsoft Word online version has been opened. You can see that it is similar to offline Microsoft Word or the one that has been installed in your PC. We have home tab, have insert tab, have the layout tab, among many other tabs. You can type a different document that you want. You can also dictate. To dictate means that you just talk and the system will put what you say into written format. Now let me give an example by typing a certain letter. I will start with my names, Bitter, address, and going on. If I want to develop my document, I will continue adding more information I want. And if I want to save my document, I simply click on files, then click on save as. Then I can either choose to download the copy and keep the copy on PC, and I can download copy in different format, either a PDF or as ODT or even as a Word. Guys, this is how you can use Microsoft Word online and for free. And if you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.